This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Welcome to 1012 26th Street. Adorable bungalow is located in the heart of Newport News. Recent renovations. Large backyard to enjoy grilling and get-togethers. You'll find 2-bedroom, living room, large dining room, laundry room, kitchen complete west/refrigerator, range and pantry, utility room west/washer and dryer. Gazebo is great place to relax and enjoy a shady spot. Many recent upgrades include roof replacement 3 years ago, hot water heater replaced 1 year ago, HVAC replaced 2 years ago, laminate flooring in bedrooms and dining room installed 6 months ago, hardwood flooring in kitchen and living room added 7 years ago, new vinyl flooring replaced in bathroom this week. Other improvements include new plumbing/sewer lines and new ductwork in the crawl space. Windows are just 2 years old. The entire interior was freshly painted 3 months ago. New ceiling fans added in bedrooms, living room, dining room, and kitchen 6 months ago. New shed is 6 months old. Must see this one. Call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Froman at 757 or 781091.